Murega. Nifuria sana. I'm very happy to be here, and I have very few words to say because Pastor Minor have already started. But before I start, the chief, we are very happy to be in your area.
Yeah.
The bishop, the the preachers, the groups of different farmers here, youth groups, everybody and our partners, Greekon, Pamoja, everyone all protocols observed. Yeah, I'm not going to give a speech because Pastor Minor have already given the whole picture of why we are here today. And we are here today because of your dedication to what you are doing. You are doing good work. And that good work you are doing, we are going to support you with the challenges you are facing. And our gathering here today have started that support. The food crops you are dealing with, cassava, millet, rice, tomatoes, all those food crops that you are producing, the food crops you are producing, they get spoiled. You suffer losses which are costing in the entire Kenya 50 billion every year. But from today, we have come here with a solution so that you will never again lose any food that you produce. The solar dryer you see standing here is the answer to the problems you have been facing. And from here we are going to show you how this solar dryer functions and what we can help you to do so that you can be able to access these solar dryers and even own this kind of solar dryers to address the challenges you are facing with the food you produce. Let me just take a moment to say a few words about cassava. Cassava is Africa's gold. But every food that you producing, whether it is millet, whether it is rice, whether it is tomatoes, whether it is bananas, whether it is, all those ones are important. But I'm speaking about cassava for 3 reasons. Cassava, if you can dry it well, you can produce up to 300 products and we will support you to do so. I understand that you find it very difficult here to dry cassava, and you dry it in areas where dust and even stones get into it. But now we are coming with a solution where you can dry it in a very short time and in a way that the quality and the aflatoxins that are affecting food crops will be reduced and will even be eliminated.
Turomenya hena thina aria murima mwanga kuumithia ni tondu mwanikaga thi kundu uragia na mahiga ukagia na rukungu na giko kiria kingi giothe no riu uhoro uyu mukuonio ri ni ukuhota kuumithia wega ukorwo wi mutheru na ukorwo nyihitie chemical iria itagwo aflatoxin iria irehaga mirimu thini wa miri.
But we cannot do these things alone. We need to work together.
No tutingika maundu maya turi wiki turabatara kurutithania wira hamwe.
Umoja ni nguvu.
Umoja ni nguvu. Urumwe neke kamuige.
And because of this, I want to, before we go to display what we have brought here to show you as a solution, I want to leave you with 3 aspects that you can focus on.
Mbere ya tuthite haria kumuonia uria tureka gwenda kumutiga na maundu matatu maria mufatie kurora muno makiria.
We have every solution to the problems we face.
Nitukoragwo na kihonia kia mathina maria mothe tugeragira.
If you look, the sun that is shining,
ungirora riua riri uguo riakanite,
it is a solution to our problems.
Ni kihonia kia mathina maitu.
If we can capture this sun, we can be able not only to dry our food, but we can also be able to even use it to power irrigation for our crop production.
Tungihota kugetha riua riri kana utherio wa riua tokumithia irio kungi tungihuthira nakuo ona no turute hinya riua-ini riu nigetha tuhote kurima kana kuhuraga mai na hinya wa riua.
And that is why we understand that development is done by the people. Our role is to support the people as they do the development. And that is why we are partnering with Family Growth Foundation, Benevolent Stars, Bright Stars, partnering with the bishop, with all of you here, because we know that alone we cannot do anything.
Na tumenyete ati inywe uria mwikaga ri ithu ni kumusupport twenda kumusupport na tumenyete tutingihota gwika undu ucio go turi thwiki no tunyitanire na organization ingi ta Family Growth Foundation, Benevolence, Bright Star yo ni yakuria Kagumo hamwe na bishop nigetha tuhote gwika maundu maria magiriire.
The second is we know that our youth are our engine.
Wakeri tui andu ethi aitu nio hinya.
But we need to give these youth the tools that they can be able to use to create opportunities for themselves.
No tuhuthire tuhe ayuthi a njira ya kugera nigetha mahote gwithondekera kamweke.
And that is why we will be training them to be able to develop these solar dryers in partnership with our partners through a structured process called innovative volunteerism.
Na nikio turauga nitume kurutwo uria meguthondeka solar dryer ici hamwe na aria tunyitanire nao hari kindu twitaga innovative volunteerism kana kwirutira nigetha uhuthire kiheo giaku gwika maundu mega.
Yeah, we have our partners here. We have Gricon and the Gricon director Wamai is seated here. We have Ebago Pamoja and the Ebago Pamoja CEO Sefi Mwangi seated here. So we have come here ready to support you.
Tuina andu aria tunyitanire nao ta Gricon itongoretio ni Wamai, Ebago Pamoja itongoretio ni Stevi na tukite haha nigetha tumuteithiririe.
And my last point is simple.
Na point yake ya mwisho ni huthu.
No matter how we give this support, we need you to take the responsibility, knowing that leadership is personal responsibility.
Gutira makania ihinda uria tungihota kumuteithiriria inyui no ni murabatara muweka mweke kau tondu gutuika mutongoria ri ni kuoya responsibility na hawe mwene we mutongoria.
Leadership is not about having a position.
Utongoria ti kugia na giti.
Leadership is about leading yourself first.
Utongoria ni kwitongoria we kwamba gwitongoria we.
Leadership is not about age.
Utongoria ti undu na miaka.
Because youthfulness is ideas.
Tondu wayetheka na uria turauga ni youth ni meciria ni ideas.
So all of us here are leaders.
O ithuothe turi haha turi atongoria.
So because we are all leaders, we are going to work with you so that we can lead together to ensure that we do not have any challenges anymore within our value chain, and we can together drive agro-industrialization and fight climate change.
Na tondu tuli atongoria ithuothe ni kunyitanira tukunyitanira nigetha tuhote kuruta wira uyu hamwe tunyihanyihie kiria challenges iria twina cio kana mathina maria twinamo na nigetha maundu maria andu mateaga thiini wa kuongerera kana irio iria marimaga ihote kuongererwo thamana na nigetha ihote gututeithia muturire-ini.
We are the solutions we have been waiting for.
Ithui ni ithui kihonia kia maundu maria tuturite twetereire.
Umoja ni nguvu.
Urumwe ni hinya kana kamuingi.
I think now we can go there and our colleagues, partners would display and explain exactly how this solar dryer works, so that at least what we've spoken here we can show you in practice.
Leo gwiciria no tuthie haria nigetha aria maracugurikana haria matuoni uria haria wira uria urarutika wega na nigetha uria twaria haha ri muhote kuona.
So I would allow Pastor Maina to coordinate this, and I will ask our partners, Gricon, Bago Pamoja, to move over there so that we can have a structured way to explain how this solar dryer works.